Hi everyone, welcome to my page. This is my cultural identity video. I would start by saying that I don't believe I am a traditionally cultural person, but I do have family traditions that we have done throughout the years, and that would be family Christmas, Easter egg hunts, Easter hat parades, and within my little family with my 2 kids and my husband, culture would be going to the beach, swimming, running, any sport, surfing. So all up, I would say I have led a pretty decent life so far. In relation to other cultures, I believe that my newfound understanding of the Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander heritage and culture in their communities will enable me to instill empathy, understanding, awareness, knowledge in our future generations. In saying that, I feel like I still have a lot to learn about cultural diversity and closing the inequality gap that we do see in education. Thank you for watching my little video, and hopefully I'll chat to everyone soon. Bye.